Hello students, my name is Sajan Tareja. The purpose of making this video is to give you a demonstration of the detailed assessment test. Here I will attempt a test and show you the complete process. So first of all, basic requirements. What are the basic requirements? You can use mobile, tablet, desktop or laptop for this test, right? Second thing, you have to have Google Chrome installed in your device, whichever device you are using, but you have to have Google Chrome because we have the best compatibility with Google Chrome only. Internet, you can give this exam even on 2G speed, right? Please note, you can give this exam even on 2G speed. And last thing, please keep a notebook and pen or pencil with you, right? Will have to write something. Okay, so I would request you to please pay attention now. The test will start at 11 a.m. but you all will have to mark attendance in your class WhatsApp group by 10:50. Okay, so please note that. So the test will be in two sessions. Session 1 will start at 11 a.m. and end at 11:30. So session 1 will be of half an hour, 11 o'clock to 11:30. We'll share the question paper link, right? You just need to click on the link and the question paper will be open. So I'll show you how. So this is you just need to click on this link. So once I have clicked on the particular link, we have got the question paper now. It is open now, right? And you can always zoom in and zoom out like this. Done. Okay, so this is done. You need to see the questions, read it, understand, and you need to write the question paper, write the answers on a notebook. Let's say I am doing question number 1 and my answer is option B. So I'll write like question 1 and write the option in front of that particular number. Number, when I say number, I mean the question number. Okay. Once you complete all the question like this, then we'll share the question paper link. As we shared the link of the question paper, now in the second phase we'll share the link of answer sheet. Session time will start at session 2 will start at 11:30 to 12 p.m. Okay, and in session 2 we'll share one more link like this. You need to open the link. Yes, so the answer sheet will look like this. Okay, you need to write your name, parents mobile number, parents email id, DA roll number, exam code. So I'll give you a demo here. I've written my name. Let's say my parents mobile number is this, parent of my email id is this, DA roll number. So please note, you need not to enter your class roll number here. Okay, we'll share your DA roll number. We'll share the images of the roll number. You'll have to find your name and write note down the roll number, because you'll have to enter or write the same roll number in all the DA tests, all the details assessment tests. So let's say my roll number is 612. Exam code, I need to click on this drop down arrow and I've got that exam code. I'll click on it. So I have filled all the required areas. Now I have got something like this. So we need, as we have already written the answers on a sheet, or I would say notebook. I'll show you how to write that. So I did it just to give a demo. So this is question number 1 and answer is 1. Question number 2, answer is 3, right? So in the same way, I will see in my notebook, I'll see from the notebook, or I would say I would copy from the notebook and then answer it. Question 1, option 1. Question 2, option 3. Question 3, option 2. So right now I'm going to give random answers, right? Because here the purpose is just to show you how it works. So I am doing it randomly, but please you don't do it. Okay, so I have given all the answers now, right? And finally I'll click on submit. Once you click on submit, you'll get a dialog box. Your responses have been recorded. I'm sorry for this sound. So you'll get a dialog box that your responses has been recorded. Now you are done with the test. Just type a message in the group that you have completed the exam. We'll cross verify from our end and give you confirmation for the same. I hope you have got an idea now. So wish you good luck for your upcoming DA tests. Thank you.